been such a hectic week. 4 exams back to back, barely any time to sleep, tired skin, and too many late nights. I feel like my body is running on autopilot, just stress, survival, and prayer. But tonight, I'm finally done. No deadlines, no assignments to worry about, for the moment until January. So just a quiet night to slowly unwind. I finished exams like 2 days ago, like on Friday. Today's Sunday. So I'm like right now. So if you have a long week too, if you've had a long week too as well, take this moment with me to relax as well. So therefore, welcome to my post-midterm night routine. Okay, that's a little bit cringe. Let's get right into the video. So you might be wondering why I'm sitting on the ground. Well, to be honest, I've been sitting too much on that chair that I am tired of sitting on the chair. So we're down here sitting on the ground because it's so much comfortable. Like, I don't know how to explain it. It's just so much comfortable. Anyways, back to the main question. Let us set the mood and make it a little bit homey as well, because the white light is not giving the vibes that I want it to give. So we're gonna set the mood first, and then I am going to unwind myself because look at that chain. I've got chain on, necklaces, jewelries, and I also need to get into something comfortable. Finally. So now that I actually changed, I only left like a couple of things. I only changed my earrings to something a little bit smaller, so it's like much more comfortable and stuff. And I also took up my jewels and changed my shirt as well. So anyways, I'm going to actually change the mood of this place because it's a little bit, it's trying actually. Okay, that's weird. Okay, it says to go into worm tone. I think it's fine like this. So now that we have it, now that we already have it done, first off, we're gonna start with this calming night routine. First off, I got a plushy spa headband for this specific thing. It's so cute. Not sure if you can see it, but it's like a bear right in the middle right here. So cute. And just for the vibes, I'm gonna put it because like I didn't have one before, and I was like, where the heck do I get one? Look at that, it's so soft. Like, oh my days, so cute and it's so soft. Okay, let's put it on actually. Whoa. My hair's a little bit of a mess. Wow. Ooh, just like I don't want it to be. Okay, this is cute. Can you guys see? Look at the headband. Look here. See, I'm gonna have to take off my makeup right now. Whoa, guys. Yo, guys. What up? Oh my god, it's like grabbing. It's eating my it's eating my earring. Should I like just take out the earring then? Like, is that what it wants me to do? Yeah, I went to Minnesota with my friend and I got a couple of makeup stuff as well for like skincare routine. So I got like this makeup wipes from Minnesota. It's a sea salt mint kind of stuff. And I'm not sure. 35 wipes inside, so that's good. The other one that I had was like avocado. Was it avocado or was it the other one? I think it was avocado or cucumber. It was probably cucumber, but I don't know. That other one was too dry, so I'm gonna use this one. Hopefully this lasts for like a very long time. Okay. I should really like to be playing something in the background, but you know. Okay, let me look for his non-copyright music on YouTube. But at the same time, I don't want to take like such a huge risk, you know? I don't want to take a huge risk. Whatever. Actually, let's forget about that. I'll play music in the background later. Okay, this is like stuck together. It's so tiny. Actually, no, it's big. It's bigger. It's getting big. Whoa. I don't like the way this smells like. guess it's fine, but whatever. Let's just try to take off my makeup first. Maybe the light is also like giving something else as well. Let me see. Okay, not bad. Just so I can. Should I leave the light on? Like, does it look better with the light turned on, or with the light turned off? Like, I feel like I like it with the light turned off. Like, so much better. But again, you know. Next thing that I've got because of my under my eye bags. Like, honestly, look at that. As I smile, I can see it going far, a little bit fatter. As I smile, and I'm like, my eye bags. Anyways, yeah. Next thing is also this is also from Minnesota as well. It's this Lucky Animal series. It's a hydrating bamboo charcoal eye mask. So I'm gonna be using that for under my eyes, you know. Oh wait, I forgot. I'm not supposed to go with this yet. Oopsies. I almost forgot. There was something that I got from my birthday, which was this essential Burt's Bee kit. It's like a tiny little mini kit that I got. So I'm going to be using what is inside so I can actually try and see if it's like, you know, good, because I've been like contemplating whether to use it, whether to not use it. But I mean, it's mine, so I'm gonna use it. In this container there is a deep cleansing cream, there is a Burt's Bee, which is like the slabs, and then there's a body lotion, and there's a lip balm, and lastly a foot cream, which is what I'm gonna be using in this video. Burt's Bees. So let's see, unboxing, ASMR, guys, ASMR. Got it. And this is the deep cleansing cream that I'm gonna be using tonight. Let's see, it better smell like nice.
Because whatever was that, what's it called? The wipes that I used for the minty wipes, I don't really like the smell, like it's just too strong.
Well, yeah, let's try this one. There's like more stuff I could have done, but like I also don't want it to stick it too long, because what time is it? It's 9, like after 9. But yeah, let's actually cleanse. Who knows if it's gonna be clean? Oh my gosh, this smells nice. This smells good. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Like, I never really thought it would smell this good. This is a go-to. I think I'm liking this because I haven't used any, like I have, but the only Burt's Bees products that I've used is their lip balm and nothing else. But like, this is my first time of using their deep cleaning product, and this is like smells so nice. This is smelling nice. This is smelling good. Okay, this. This is like first ever product that I've used. All I can say is the smell is absolutely phenomenal. It's phenomenal. Okay, my eyes are like getting peppered right now. I can't even open my eyes wide. Ooh, I can just like smell it and all. Okay, I'm gonna get you guys later. Let me go and wash this off. I'm not gonna lie, I wish you could smell this. Those of you that haven't used any Burt's Bee products before, this is good. Okay, let me go wash it up. It's still rolling. Like, oh my days. I was like trying to get every single side of it. Next. I'm just waiting for my face to like kind of dry. It's set. Alright, now that I've actually done that, now we can actually move on to my eye mask that I mentioned before. And I said I did get. Ooh, okay. So they gave me 3. Okay, I thought it was like, oh, never mind. Is it 5? Okay, let me just pull it out. Oh, okay. Okay, awesome. So inside the package, they gave me 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they gave me 5 eye mask. 5 eye charcoal mask. Let's try this one for now. Oh my gosh. Yo guys, it's like already watering. Like I can feel the water coming out. See? Oh my gosh, I can see like the water coming off. Okay, let's go back to the vibes again. It's giving panda. No wonder they were talking about like some panda stuff. This is it. This is it. And my eyebrows are gone. Yikes. Next thing is the face mask, which I got as a gift as well, along with the Burt's Bee stuff, because I haven't really, I think it was months ago. I just haven't had the time to even use them because school, that's all I'm gonna say, school. Anywho's, this is what is this? Oh yeah, this is the Propaganit's collagen essential facial sheet mask. This is Korean face mask from what I can see. Yeah, it's a Korean beauty brand. It's Marosa. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce them, but yeah, it's a Korean beauty like brand and stuff. We're gonna put that on. Hopefully it doesn't like overlap with my eye mask, because if not, I'm gonna have to like wait for it. There we go. You see, it's already juicy. This is nice.
Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop.
While that is working, I am going to take a break and just be on my phone, because I'm using my phone to video right now, so it's quite boring now. I want to use my laptop, so I'm going to see you guys in a few seconds when 20-minute timer is over. Alright? Okay, so I'm back again after 20 minutes has, passed already. And I'm actually gonna take it off because I can't leave it for more than that. If not, it's gonna dry my face. This is so good. I loved it with it as well. Yeah, my neck. I'm actually gonna take this off. It's like already cracking and breaking. This is nice. I like it. Then I'm gonna take the other one. Next things that I do have, they are also from Miniso. It's like everything is from Minnesota. So I've got 2 lip masks from Minnesota. This one is the chocolate scented, and then this one is like peach scented. So I don't know which one to choose because I want to like try both of them. But then I just need to pick one since there's like nothing like that big of a difference because they're the same thing just with different scents. So I think I'm just gonna go with the chocolate scented instead. I'll do this one another time. So I'm gonna be doing chocolate scented lips. I don't think I'm supposed to leave this overnight, like this type of Minnesota package. If you guys know, comment down below in the comments and help your girl out. I'm not very sure if I'm supposed to like wear it like overnight or right away. So I'm just gonna wear it though and leave it for like a few minutes and stuff. Ooh, it's like one big fat one. Okay. Oh, hold up. There's one thing I wanted to do. I just remembered. It was this thing. It was like a whole cream from here, from the mask, that I was gonna rub on my face after I was done. And I just remembered that I am done. Okay. So there was, hold up. I didn't smell it. No comment on that. Just gonna take that. This is it. Right on my lips. From this Burt's Bee whatever, it was not scented. It's just like it smelled somehow, and it smelled too strong of like a chemical or something. Not a pleasant smell to like be having in your hand for like scented cream. And I can still scent it. Like I just used my own to like overshadow the smell that I could smell everywhere. And also I went on with, as you saw in the video, I went in with the beeswax bees. Now this is the end of the video. Like if you have any stressful weekend and you just want to like have a time to like chillax, now is the time, because you got time before January and it's like, okay, second semester, we gotta go. If you have time to like relax, I urge you to take the chance to relax, because that will really benefit you. Anyway, I really like the skincare for today. Like, is it what I would do every day? Not really, because it would take such a long time, but I really wanted to use the mask that I got, and also the lip mask that I bought, and the face mask that I got. So I wanted to use those two, as well as the under eye mask. Yeah, that's the end of the video. If you like this video, if you reach the end of this video and really like the video of the vibes, hit the sub below, you know, like, comments down below, you know, comment, leave a sub, whatever it is. Anyways, I'll see you on my next video. Bye.